Hi everybody, this is Javier with a very quick video tutorial to help you get around the actual Advertising Bait platform. I'm at advertisingbait.com. Usually this pop-up ad or pop-up window, I should say, pops up and asking you if you want to join the Advertising Bait Facebook group page. It's a private group that once you apply, you'll be approved. If you do want to do that, do so. If not, exit out. Even after you join it, it'll still keep popping up as well. Also, on the lower right-hand corner, you see the support chat. Monica does a great job of helping everybody with any questions they might have or any support they might need. So again, you can just click on the chat now box and chat with her. Or in some cases, if she's not there after hours or what have you, it'll give you the opportunity to leave a message. So having said that, I'm going to go ahead and click on the members login, which is what you're going to do. And it's going to bring me here. Now, the reason it brought me directly here is because I'm currently logged in. Otherwise, it would ask you to log in first with the username and password you created when you joined it. So I'm going to minimize the chat box. I don't need help right now. And this is where it's going to bring us to. So I want to go over a few things. On the left-hand side, you'll see the hello. That's going to have whatever name company you signed up under. And that's just a greeting. There's nothing to do. Next to it is the Give Vacation and Incentive tab. If I click on it, it brings me to where I'm at right now. And this is really where you're going to spend 95% of your time. And the reason this is so important is because you want to go ahead and make sure you come here, and this is where you're going to issue your certificates manually. So if I want to issue one to, let's just say, myself, which you can do, just put your recipient's name there. It might be a prospect, client, family, friend, yourself, whoever. All you need to do is input their contact or their name, full name, and email address, and then you just simply need to select their destination. So as you can see, these are all the cities, and they're adding more as we speak. So I'm just going to go with Cancun. I'm going to go down here and click on the Generate Vacation Incentive button. And as you can see up here, it says Javier Rodriguez has been sent a link to redeem a free vacation. I'm going to go to my Gmail now so you can kind of see what it looks like when it comes in. And it says here, congratulations, you've been awarded a free Cancun vacation. When I click on it, it brings me here. And this is your client doing this, or your prospect, or whoever. And so when you're going to direct them, let them know that they got the email. And when they get the email, follow the link that says activate. When they click on activate, it will go ahead and show this right here. And it says, congratulations, you've been awarded.
VIP did a great job of giving.
The video's autoplay. So vacation compliments of my name, or your name, or your company, or whoever you designate to show up as that. And they can do one of two things. Either A, click on the link right here to activate it online, or they can call the toll-free number. They just need their claim number, which is the number you see here. Also, let your clients know, your prospects, whoever you issue these to, that they do have 7 days in which they need to redeem this. So within 7 days, they need to pay the $19.70 per night tax. So if it's going to be a Mexico vacation, which is 5 nights, that's $98.50. If it's going to be the 3 nights, which are all the U.S.-based ones, then we're looking around $59 or so. So you let them know ahead of time that that is what they're going to need to do within 7 days. Now, once they go ahead and activate their vacation, they have 18 months in which to travel. So they don't need to have travel dates right now. They don't need anything. They just need to validate it, redeem it, or here, as we call it, activate it as well. They can also click on this, and it will take them to the bookvip.com online portal where they can do the whole thing literally on their own without having to call in. I like this a little better because keep in mind one thing, bookvip.com requires all of their attendants when they buy their discounted vacations to go ahead and attend a timeshare presentation. Through the Advertising Bait portal, they do not need to do that. So don't be surprised if some of your clients are calling and they're reminding them of the actual timeshare presentation. They do not need to go to any, and I do mean any, timeshare presentation. So if they go through the electronic one here, they can do it on their own and not have to risk, if you would, a misunderstanding. So anyways, so as you can see, that's that. This is as far as I wanted to take you when it comes to this. I'm going to go back to my portal. So that's the issuing of them all right there. This is what's called the bulk creation. And so if you need to create like a ton of them at the same time, you can do so, but you're going to need to do it through a file. You need to import the file. You can even click here to get a sample file as to how you do it. Personally, I would just say stick to the one that you do it one at a time. It's a lot easier. And then, of course, here, past vacation redemptions. This is very important because what it will do, this is where you'll see every person that you've ever issued one of these certificates to. And this becomes a contact list. So if you're selling real estate, mortgages, life insurance, or anything else, this becomes your email list, if you would, that you are going to use to market as well to that. Now, I'm going to go to account details. This is where you can do your password, so on and so on, your business list. You can add other names, but you have to pay for it. If you want to have multiple businesses to select who it's coming from, you can do that. My favorite one, and I'm going to share this with you, I'm going to focus more on, are the videos. I'm clicking on resources, and a drop-down menu opens up. When I click on videos, this is where you'll find all the generic videos, as you can see here. Now, if you want to do real estate, you can click on real estate. If you're doing insurance, you can do insurance. If you're selling solar, you can click on solar. I mean, it'll just narrow it down, and you can literally just find one that you like and the city that you're sending them to. So if I'm doing, let's just say, solar, and I want to do Orlando or Vegas, I would do this video. I'm clicking on it. I can play it. Very simple. These are very short videos. That's it, 17 seconds long. So if that's a video you want, you would just come here and click on the download. It'll download the file down to your computer, and then you just simply post that file or video on Facebook or any of your social media or your websites if you're a little more tech savvy as well. So that's what the video link is all about. Here's what I recommend. This one says incentive terms. I'm clicking on that, and these are the terms for every trip. It's your obligation to make sure you understand it so that when you're giving these away, at least you know what it is that you're telling people that they can expect as far as fees or anything like that. I've done the Cancun vacation myself at the Mayan Palace, and it was an incredible vacation. Some of you have seen my post on Advate on Facebook as well. But again, read this. There are limitations. The ages have to be between 30 and 70, blah, 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 and so on. And they're all different. One of the things that I will tell you got to be careful with, a lot of the big resorts, especially in the U.S., like Vegas, they have resort fees. That's on top of any taxes and so on. So when they get there, you let them know that they are responsible for their transportation, $19.70 a night in taxes, but they are responsible for their resort fees. So anyways, read the actual terms so you can go ahead and do that as well. Anyways, you see other stuff here is pretty much simple. If you have ClickFunnels or Builderall, there are some landing pages that they have built for you there. Or you can just simply take some Facebook Secrets training to be better at social media marketing as well. Again, short and sweet and to the point. I hope you find this useful. Thank you so much for your time, and I will be sending you more here real soon. Thank you.